Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to block ads on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now on this page, just tap on try it now. Now from here, just copy this text. Then select copy. Now after you copy this text, then go to your home screen. From here, just open settings and tap on connection and sharing. From here, just tap on private DNS and select specified DNS. Now in this section, just paste the copied text. Then tap on save. And once you do that, you will block all the ads within the apps on your smartphone. But if this did not fix your issue, then just go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on Google. From here, just tap on all services. Then tap on ads. Now from here, just tap on reset advertising ID and tap on confirm. After you do that, then tap on delete advertising ID. Now from here, just tap on delete advertising ID. Now if the ad started appearing suddenly even on your home screen, then this is most likely happening because of an app you installed which carried a notification virus with it. These viruses are usually an app which does not appear on your home screen or on your app drawer. They have no name and their icon is a white circle. Now to find and delete the notification virus app on your smartphone, first of all, just open settings, then tap on display and brightness. Now from here, just make sure you enable dark mode on your smartphone. After that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on apps. From here, just tap on app management. Now from this app list, just look for an app which does not have a name and its icon is just a white circle. And remember that this app will only appear if you enable dark mode on your smartphone. If you do not enable dark mode on your smartphone, the app will not appear in this app list. Now once you find the app, just tap on the app icon and select uninstall. For now, I will show the process of uninstalling the notification virus app on another app. Now let's say if this is the app which you want to delete, just tap on it, then tap on uninstall and select OK. And this is how you can block ads on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.